Hello friends, today I am going to talk about Save Birds, Save Humanity in this Uttarayan. Uttarayan Kite Flying Festival celebrated on 14th and 15th January every year in India. Kite flying participants use glass coated threads, strings or that manjas to fly kites that cause a very serious, severe wings of injuries to thousands of birds. Many such injured birds succumb to painful deaths while others are maimed for rest of their lives. Every year, in the name of tradition, there are thousands of birds are killed or injured as a result of kite festival. In cities like Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, Mumbai and more, many birds die. Many birds dies of shock after their injuries. So our action, it's my humble request to all who will enjoy kite flying festival, please take care of that. Your enjoyment don't take someone's life or injure them. Our actions are both same actions are both shameful, shocking and shameful. So it's time we do something to change the situation. More than 20,000 of birds are killed or injured every year in this festival. Hungry chicks uh, dies of starvation due to their parents never return with food. Birds are very important in our life. Birds wakes up with chirping in the morning. Birds tell how the environment and surrounding that we live in. Birds are small creatures. They can't speak. Who can't speak, understand, and fight with us for their injuries or lives. But God has given us brain, understanding power, speech. So it's our duty to take care of that birds and save their lives as they are part of our earth. Our 2 days of enjoyment cost thousands of lives. Do you want this to continue? Can you be so selfish? No, I'm not. But this Uttarayan we will fight us for their thousands of lives. Will you join us? You as an individual can make a big difference in making it a bird friendly Uttarayan this year. Birds they can't speak. They can hear small distance, and most of them they don't have a smell. Human take their most of home, but they do have a sky to wonder free. But that not even safe for many of them. Now we can't stop celebration or festival, but we can initiate some precautions to ensure their safety. First, do avoid flying kites between in the morning from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. because that's the time when the birds out of their nest and looking for food. Second, avoid flying kites between in the evening from 4 to 7 p.m. because that's the time when the birds return return to their home. Avoid Chinese lanterns. Do not burn crackers because they spread air pollution, and do not play sound loudly. because they cause noise pollution. And lister around do not lister around loose strings or threads. Manja. Loose strings get entangled in bird's feet and injure it. So please clear all the loose string around us. Please follow at least these things. Do not flying kites between in the morning from 6 to 9 a.m. and evening from 4 to 7 p.m. Do not purchase glass coated threads. They cause a major threat to birds in the sky and the people out on the street. This leading to very serious injuries and even deaths. So please avoid it. Do not burn crackers and do not lister around threads, strings. Enjoy happy and safe Uttarayan. Save birds. Your small contribution may lead to a big revolution. Every year we organize a campaign, Save Birds campaign, with the help of Jain Alert Group and Sajak Group. If you find any injured birds, please call us on this number 7878 171727. If the death of the bird will continue, we can't see of them in future. We can live without technology, but we can't live without ecology. Save nature, save birds, save humanity. Thank you.